Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is in the post 18 and I've got quite a bit to show you. Firstly, as a lot of things are happening, I am getting posts with stamps on, which I also copy and follow and use myself. I have a whole bag of stamps here from all the parcels I get, but here are a few just to show you that come through on parcels. This is the more modern stamp with the design down the barcode type design. There's somebody who needs a good telling off, shall we say, to put it politely, for scribbling all over stamps. We have the new wallet and grommet, and what I like about this one is the stamp itself, the last finger here. Let's just bring that in a little bit. The finger on this side, if you take a look, is actually outside the perforations of the stamp. Very unusual. And one of the new Christmas stamps with the barcode design down the side. Now, one of the things you need to remember and realise, and there's the last lot of stamps. Let me just come out a little bit. This is the last lot of stamps. What you now need to realise is, if you have any with Elizabeth II on that don't have this barcode down the side of it, you've only got until the end of January to use them up or send them back in for rebate. I've got a whole load I need to send back for rebate, unfortunately. Or fortunately, should I say. These stamps will now preside with the rest of these other stamps and wait for me to get a few moments to sort them all out. And this is a big, quite a large bag of stamps I need to sort. Most of them are UK, there's a few German and European stamps. What else? Well, of course, if you get things from Change Checker, you get cards. And here are two more cards to add to my diversity stash. I think I've got about 8 or 9 of them now. They can go in there. If you are interested, I do have a whole load of these cards that are extras and above and beyond my collection. I did a review of them not so long ago, a couple of days ago now, and sometime last week in fact. So if you are short of them, let me know. Let's see what we can do for you to help you out. Just recently, I've done a date run video, and in my change this week, which will be another video coming out, I got 2 20p's that I needed for my date run. So they're in there. And I got 3, 4, 150p and 3 £2 coins, one of which is a very special one, which I'm looking forward to putting into my collection. Next thing that came along, these will all have their own separate videos, so don't worry too much, you won't miss out on anything here. This is just an overview to tell you what I've got. I've got the last of the 5 coins for this 25-cent women's series. I will get it right eventually. And that's Anna May Wong, who was the first, a Chinese actress, the first major Chinese actress, and I got both Denver and Philadelphia mints. I'll be showing that off in a little while. Next, we're coming up to Christmas, and I have 2 Isle of Man coins there. Is that the third one? 3 Isle of Man coins there from from varying years in the mid to late 80s. They will be going into a Christmas special on territory coins and such like for Christmas. I have a bag with around about 6 or 7 coins in, 50p's, for the in the change series, or the next in the change that I'm doing, and that is the 50p's that are the Queen's Platinum, and also the last of the coins to be issued, 50p's to be issued with the Queen's image on, or the Queen's portrait on, and that of course is the Pride coins. So that will be my change as well. I'll just put these out. 2, 3, 4, there's 5 of them. 5 snowmans. This is going to be a Christmas video by itself. This year's snowman will go in with a coloured bunk version, and I'll be doing a video on that. The other ones are views of Christmas past, where I'll be looking at some of the UK Christmas coins. And there is the coloured snowman that I'll be using later on. I have one more Christmas thing to show you, and that is a Chinese token, or I got the token from China. It's got Rudolph on the one side, it's dated 2020, and I have Father Christmas on the other side. I did have another one of these. I bought 2 of them because one hadn't arrived and was thought to have been lost in the post, so I ordered a second one to get it in for Christmas last year, and behold, lo and behold, the second one arrived in late January. So I'm going to be doing a little bit about that one in a general roundup. And the last of our Christmas things for this year is a traditional Christmas. This is a 50p coin set from Guernsey. I'll be going through that as well. I have 3 items left to show you. One is to strike your own from the Royal Mint for Elizabeth II's reign. It has the one for a coronation on the back there, and the important thing about this particular coin is it's the first strike your own with Charles III on it. So the other 2, you'll have to excuse me, I need to do a little bit of unpacking. The other 2 came from the bullion series of coins, and the 2 coins that will be for next year. They, like all the other bullion coins I have a certain portrait on them, and it's not Charles III. They both have Elizabeth II on the £2 1 ounce coin, the £2 valuation 1 ounce coins. The silver, totally silver in colour, in metal. They're 99.99% or 0.999 pure silver. This one is the 2023 Britannia. And carrying on in the Icon series for 2023, the first coin of that for next year is King Arthur. Now, I will be doing reviews of both of these coins, as I said, with all the others. So, as you can see, there's quite a bit here, particularly Christmas stuff coming up. I will be doing a special video outlining what I'm going to prepare, what I'm going to try and do over the Christmas period. So here we go. These are all stuff that you've got to look forward to over the next few weeks or so. Now, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week as a minimum, so hopefully you will find something that you enjoy watching. I would like you to think seriously about subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so. I am still looking to expand my subscription, people who are subscribed to the channel, and I would love to have you along as part of me and my ongoing search through coins, banknotes, collectibles, militaria and such like that I do and have done on this channel. So, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.